Finding the right replacement UPVC door handle can sometimes be difficult, particularly when there are hundreds of different sizes, styles and configurations available. That's why the Aldridge Security website includes our UPVC door handle selector, helping you quickly narrow down the options using the measurements and features of the handle you need to replace. You can find the selector through the Product Tools section of the Aldridge website, or go directly to the UPVC door handle selector page. Once you're there, you'll see a simple selection screen along with a useful measurement guide. Before you start, it's probably worth taking some basic measurements from your existing handle, including the centres, screw centres, overall plate height and overall plate width. Use the diagram on the screen to help identify where each measurement should be taken. Now, enter as much information as you know. You can select the brand if known, the type of handle, and the required finish. And as you enter the data in the other fields self-rationalises to just those now available. You can then add your measurements for the centres, screw centres, plate height and plate width. You don't necessarily need to complete every option, so if you're unsure about something, just leave it blank and use the measurements to help narrow down the results. Once you've entered your information, click Show Suitable Products. The website will then display the handles that match the criteria you've selected, making it much quicker and easier to identify a suitable replacement. From here, simply choose a product to view the full specification, available variants, stock and your account pricing. If you need to start again or search for another handle, simply return to the selector and click Clear Selections. You can now enter a new set of measurements and search again. So rather than searching through hundreds of different UPVC door handles, let the Aldridge door handle selector do the hard work for you. Measure your existing handle, enter the details you know, and we'll help you find the most suitable options. Aldridge Security, helping you find the right product quickly and easily online.